In this session, we'll be learning how to do a custom data validation for a given column. For example, many a times we come into a situation where we give an Excel sheet to other people to enter the data. So in that, we want to restrict the data, whether it has to be numbers, like if we are asking any person to enter telephone number, so it has to be only numbers. So for example, you want to enter, you are asking the people to enter the name, so name will not contain any numbers. So such kind of instances where you want to control the data entry from other people, so you will be using data validation. So for that, I'll be using a custom data validation. For example, I'll be selecting the first cell, that is C4. Then I'll go for data validation. Then in the formula, I'll just type equals is is number, number, open bracket, and I'll be selecting the first cell, that is C4. Then I'll close the bracket, then click OK. Then let me see whether my data validation is working. 1 2 3, it's working. Then I'll type 4 5 6, yes, also it is working. Then let me enter any text, that is ASD. You can see the error is popping out. So this is how you do the data validation with a custom formula. So this error is not giving any value addition for the error. So I'll again go for data validation, input message. I'll ask enter only numerical value, and error say warning, or just stop. This cell only accepts numerical value. Then click OK. You can see as soon as I click on the cell, it is saying enter only numerical value. If I try to enter any character, say AQW, it will say the cell only accepts numerical value. So I hope this session gave you a fair idea on how the custom formula works in data validation. Same, you can add even a text as well using is text. So if you want to try again, I'll just go for data validation, settings, clear all, custom equals is text, open bracket, select the cell, close the bracket. An input message say instead of enter only text value, error enter only text value. Okay, so you can see that. So I'll try here. You can see enter only text value. I'll say AST, it will take. Otherwise, in the same cell, if I try to enter 1 2 3, you can see it started throwing the error, and it is saying enter only text value. So this is how you enter the formula, custom formulas, like whether it is number, is text, or even complex formulas you can enter. And even cell references, using cell references also you can enter that custom formula. I hope this session gave you a fair idea about how to use custom formulas in data validation. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.